Hey! Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, is a programming paradigm that revolves around the concept of objects. An object is a collection of data, called attributes, and methods, functions that operate on the data. OOP is widely used in Python and many other programming languages. OOP is like building with Lego bricks. You start by defining a class, which is like a blueprint for creating objects. A class can have attributes, which are like the Lego bricks that you use to build the object, and methods, which are like the instructions that tell you how to put the bricks together. Here is a class called actor. The class has two methods, __init__, and play. The __init___ method is a special method that gets called when an object of the class is created. It takes in an argument called name and assigns it to an instance variable also called name. The play method is a simple method that just returns the string done. The code then creates two instances of the actor class, act1 and act2. The __init___ method is called for each of these instances, passing in the names of Fozia and Shireen, respectively. Finally, the code prints out the name attribute for both act1 and act2 using the dot notation, act1.name and act2.name, and calls the play method on act1, which returns the string done. The output of the code would be this. Thanks for watching.